If you're watching this, I'm trying to reorganize this wasted area. Join us. All right, now hear me out. This has been my growing ground junk area for the last 4 years now, and then I think it's time for me to reorganize this area. So, those cinder blocks. The game plan is to clear this section out here to put two of these really functional benches in. Short, so about 6 feet, two 6 feet benches here. It kind of squares off this area a little bit. It becomes less of this dirt patch, and then less of my just drop off and run away. So I spent the last couple of days just cleaning this area. What else left is on the ground is some of the plants are not moving, so I'm gonna have to clean these out. But yeah, I think that's what I want to do in the next couple days, probably taking about 2 days to get this all done. I have the water line already, or my supply water line already in, so I can just split it off between these two. I make really short 6-inch benches. I know some people say 6 inches. 6 feet's really not really worth it, but for me, this is my only full sun all day long. So that might actually be beneficial for me in this case. So I might put my elms, some of my portulacarias here, things that just need full sun, even some shohin stuff that it just send that full blast of sun. So that's what's the game plan here. I'm gonna put this on time lapse, and I'll probably do some voiceover and enjoy the show. So this is really a time lapse just for you guys. Welcome back, everybody. So from the last time you guys saw this, I moved kind of my plans around. I didn't do it on camera, but a couple updates really quick. So originally I had these two parallel to this bench, or perpendicular to this bench, and then I was thinking some symmetry here. Sometimes you look at your garden design, you gotta look at symmetry. I actually have a really big grape on the other side of this bench, on those big pedestals. So, and of course I got this giant trident. So I was like, you know what? That'd be kind of nice to have some symmetry between the two sides. So a big 24, is it 24? 36? I think that's a 24. And it's a 24-inch concrete slab top on a pedestal. So that will probably hold the trident right here. Be a nice anchor point here. So two of those big trees as anchor points, kind of mirroring this bonsai garden. And then that's why this got pushed back a little bit. Still plenty of usable space there. And then this was supposed to be off-center to the bench, but I screwed up. I was late, I was rushing it. Not the best quality because it's a little wonky a little bit. It is parallel, as you saw in the video, but I need to move this about. This is where the end of this bench kind of lies, so I need to move it about to here. So I'm gonna move it about 8 inches over. So that's gonna be a manpower today, and then of course trying to get the pedestals done today. That shouldn't be too hard. This is could be as level as you can get it. The only problem is I got some roots in the way, so we'll figure that out, and we'll see if we can put the water lines in. And then I got some old benches or old wood from my old benches from the other house, just stacked in the corner here, and I was like, you know what, I should just use those. So I'm going to recycle as much as I can, and then what I can't recycle, I'm going to pick up some more wood. Things got more expensive, surprisingly or not. Was expecting cinder blocks to be about $2.75 a brick. It used to be like 99 cents about 5 years ago. So things have changed. Cost has went up dramatically. Wood is the same idea. So I'm going to try to recycle as much as I can, so I don't need to pay extra out of pocket for this small project. So let me turn the camera back to time lapse, and let's see where we go, how far we can get today. Alright, hope you guys like that so far. Moved it back, cleaned off all the wood. I got some about 6 2x4x6s. They're kind of termited. Again, what do you expect? Been sitting there for a couple of years now. I clean them off. I'm gonna probably wipe them down. Before I wipe them down, actually I might wipe them down before I leave. I'm gonna get 6 more cinder blocks, 2 8x8x16s, and I think it's a 24x24 by 3 inch cap. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm probably gonna paint today. I haven't decided I'm gonna paint yet, but I'm most likely will paint. Get these all prepped up, wipe clean, and then dig the water lines in, up and over, and then having a, I'm not sure you can see it, but that water line will be split up and over, down into the pedestal, and it's going to be up and over and right around here, so these guys can have water by themselves, independently. That's it. And then try to get everything kind of cleaned up before it breaks over. But yeah, so you guys like it so far. Yeah, built it last night. Phone ran out of battery. Had to fix my son's car. A couple of things that was wrong. Battery was dead. Had to get a transmission fluid was low, so I had to go change all that. Went to Lowe's, went to Home Depot, got all the parts. And then my battery's running low, so I just did it last night within like an hour, just putting this up. Had my son help me out put the tree, so it gives you an idea what this kind of looks like now. I think game plan for today is to put the water lines in approximately where I want it, and then I'm not sure with benches. I'm thinking of just kind of building it right now as is, and then I think in the summertime some of these other benches out here needs to be redone. So I was thinking, well, why waste paint now? I can do this all one shot a little later. So that's probably my goal during the summertime. So I'm gonna just probably put the benches together just kind of roughly today, get the water lines in, and then trying to be done. Try to get this project done so I can work on the repotting of all the other trees that needs to happen. So hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. So here's the final product. About 3-4 days later, on and off for a couple hours at a time. Finally got the pedestal bench after being moved. You can see it's not perfectly leveled yet. Putting for this big trident and to mirror the other side, so some symmetry in the display area. I got 2 small benches. These are, I think, 6-footers. It was just what I had left over wood-wise. Ideally, it should be about 8, but that was kind of tight there. And that kind of cleaned up everything in this area that I just threw on the ground at one point. So came out to be about, I think, a little over $100 of material, and then about couple hours of hard labor, but I think it looks nice for now. I'm gonna go paint those benches in the summertime if I refinish the rest of them at the same time, and then I haven't put the little bottom storage for my pots yet. But what do you guys think? I will enjoy it probably. I'm gonna probably get my pond area kind of re-going again. But other than that, if you guys like or watch so far on these small clips, thank you for watching, and leave a comment. See what you guys think about it. And until next time, thank you for watching. See ya.